Hi, my name is BJ Neary. I am going to be giving you a little overview about myself, and let's just get started. I am a teacher librarian. For the last 8 years, I have been a librarian at Abington Senior High School, located in Abington, PA, a suburb close to Philadelphia. Abington has a diverse student population of 2,000 students in grades 10 through 12. I also am one of 2 librarians because our student body is so large. I have been involved as a member of ISTE for many years. It's so exciting to have Philadelphia host the ISTE conference this year, so I decided to get involved. Along with our chair, Susanna Livingston, I decided to get involved in SigLit. I am going to participate in SigLit, and we will be working to help you find information and resources in reading and literacy through using different types of technology to teach reading skills and to enhance literacy instruction. Now, a little bit about me. I have been working for the last 8 years in the library to be a leader, to be a collaborator with the teachers and the students, and also to be an instructional partner. The way I do this is by making sure that I can get all of the information to the students and teachers in a timely basis. We do it through direct instruction, we do it through technology, we work in the library, and we go to the teachers' classrooms. Today, libraries are not just about the books. I have been an important leader in encouraging the use of instructional technology to engage students and to improve their learning. As an instructional partner, I collaborate with the teachers and other educators to build and strengthen connections between student information and research needs, curricular content, learning outcomes, and information resources. As a teacher, I've been empowering students to become critical thinkers, enthusiastic readers, skillful researchers, and ethical users of information. Everyone on the library staff works hard to reach out to all students, whether it is discussing books and genres, helping troubleshoot computer problems or glitches, or promoting and using existing emerging technologies to support learning and 24/7 access to library services. For the last 7 years, I have been one of the teacher sponsors of Build On, an after-school club, whose mission is to enhance education and empower youth in the United States to make a positive difference in their communities while helping people of developing countries increase their self-reliance through education. Build On's core values are compassion, responsibility, and empowerment, and one of the ways we achieve this is through community service. Our students will go throughout the year to places where they will do cleanups, they will make murals, do all kinds of things to help those in our community or out in the wider area of Philadelphia. Each year, Build On students provide community service, especially on Martin Luther King Day of Service. 2 years ago, they went to Philabundance and they sorted food for families in need. This year, the students went to Cradles to Crayons, located in Conshohocken, PA, and they sorted clothes, books, and school supplies for families in need. Build On raises money to build schools in developing countries. We have sent students for the past 7 years to countries like Mali, Africa, and Nicaragua to build schools, and by building these schools, we help lift their community out of poverty. Global education is an important aspect of Build On. Students will learn about pressing issues, both local and throughout the world. Once a year, we have a multicultural fair where students showcase their culture through food, dress, music, and posters. When I came to Abington 8 years ago, I started Reading Olympics with one team of students. We are now 8 years down the road. Last year we had 6 teams, and this year we have 7 teams of students. The goal of the Reading Olympics is to increase students' reading for enjoyment. Students collaborate with their teammates to read 45 books that have been selected by a committee of librarians, reading specialists, and classroom teachers. The Reading Olympics are primarily a celebration of reading rather than a contest. All participants are awarded ribbons, and since the teams generate so much excitement about this event, the experience is rewarding for everyone involved. In accordance with the mission of SigLit, I'm just going to show you some of the things that we've been doing that have created a lot of excitement with technology over the past few years. One of the things that the teachers really enjoy using is Wordle, and they've done it for things like digital storytelling. Wordles were used by students and teachers, showing the positive aspects of character development. The students in Reading Olympics had fun with Wordle just by feeding in all of their names. We have been working with all of the teachers and the students on another way to assess after a book has been read. And one of the ways that the teachers have really enjoyed is using Photo Story, and it has become something that the students enjoy doing. It's very easy, and the students are really proud to see that their photo story gets put on the library catalog for all the students to see. Animoto has been used in our school for the past 3 years in many, many different ways. Students can do it as a digital book trailer. Teachers will have students do projects in groups or by themselves for Women's History Month, for Black History Month, and they will do it in literature for all kinds of themes, and it has been something that the students have really looked forward to doing. We use Wikispaces in a variety of different ways. We have an ASHS Research Wiki, where teachers can have their own pages for projects. We have a Reading Olympics Wiki, and we also have a Summer Reading Wiki. Students and teachers have been using Glogster as another way of doing digital book trailers, for doing a social studies project, for doing ESL projects, for doing English projects. This one here we do every year for Reading Olympics. We also share our expertise by presenting at faculty meetings, parent meetings, and school board meetings, and we also go outside into the community. And this particular Glogster was presented at the Delaware Valley Reading Association, and what my partner and I did was we talked about all the different Web 2.0 applications that we used to advanced reading in the library. I'm a member of the Pennsylvania State Librarians Association, and each year I attend the conference, and I am one of the moderators that is on the committee called the YA Top 40, and what we do is we read and review books and come up with the best of the previous year's young adult titles in both fiction, nonfiction, and reference. I use SlideShare presentations when I go to neighboring colleges such as Chestnut Hill College and Arcadia College, and I go and talk about the Web 2 applications we use in the library with students and teachers. But then I also go and talk about multicultural blogs that I subscribe to as a way to get the best kind of multicultural literature in the library. Last year, I went to Ed Camp Philly with Melissa Lindinger, who is a social studies teacher in our district, and we presented together. But the UNC conference was the first of its kind in Philadelphia, and it was offered at Drexel University. What Melissa Lindinger and I presented on was how we had worked together over the years using Web 2.0 in the classroom, and then we also made it as a way to discuss differentiation. I'm so excited to be involved with ISTE in Philadelphia. I will be at the Pennsylvania Convention Center, ready to have lots of fun and learn lots of things and meet lots of people in June. Together, let's experience the energy, excitement, and passion for learning at ISTE's conference. Don't wait to get to Philadelphia to start connecting with other ISTE members. There are 3 places we can go to share right now. The first is the ISTE 2011 Conferencing, the social networking hub for all things ISTE. Next, go to the SigLit Conferencing. SigLit is hosting a book discussion and providing Web 2.0 resources for use with reading and language arts. And finally, visit the ISTE Community Ning. Let's share our web-based tools to communicate and collaborate with each other. See you in June.